to qualify for Super 8 for 2 changes in Pakistan. Spinner out. Pakistan have still 5 spinners.
But Namibia are cheering on that team. All the Pakistan states would most likely progress.
Thank you, Avi. They realize in the middle of the tournament that, and then you have enough spinners, enough fast bowlers to defend formed against India. But again, new day, new game will open the innings for Pakistan. Humidity. So it's not that comfortable out there.
Any time a Pakistani player in the tournament is past 50.
He's bowling well, but I think what Pakistan wants is to go and play short on every ball. It's literally next to him. He has plenty of time on his hand. Simon Lassa. Subs up 2.
So the
third man up, fine leg up in the circle. Then brings the ball back in. Bowls good joker. Not very nippy, but very.
Oh, leading edge just didn't quite carry, but a nice nagging length immediately from Jay. Advances. 3 scores, 24, 19 and 6 for Saim Ayub. Honouring Namibia. Beautiful country was him. Have a look at the Pakistani lineup if you're just joining us.
Someday. Another good delivery, but nicely played shot with the straight bat towards mid-wicket. They probably come back for... He's off now. Erasmus the...
Skydiving, and the kids loved it, was. And just shapes one away, so a good start for Namibia. Just 3 from the first. Nicely driven, slight misfield. It'll be the opening boundary off the bat of Farhan.
Not the best delivery. As a batter, if I get a first ball with the new ball, especially 2 fields outside the circle. Where's the ball from?
Worked away on the onside. We haven't seen it yet, but it really is about 15k an hour in pace. Oh, just away from the diving fielder. Nearly an opportunity at moments.
Very nervous for some.
There's a quicker one.
I think it's because of the dryness in the pitch. That's why, like I said, they will be. So yeah, you got to be very.
A change in the field is back. Quicker one. We didn't see the sidearm delivery, but it's a pretty good start by Pakistan. 9 without loss. It's nicely timed. He did well. Didn't have much room there, Saim Ayub, but he just whipped it away through mid-wicket.
Shot and pull from Saim Ayub. Pressure released from him. Looked a bit uncomfortable early on in the innings, but this boundary.
Work through mid-wicket. A couple more. Ruben Truppman, just 1 wicket for the... Diving effort, just gets away. Truppelman throws his head back and it gets all the way down to the boundary.
Second boundary for Saim Ayub. 13 now. He was lucky there. Maybe that's...
He's lucky to get away with that as well. Was shaped down leg side, just be 1 leg by. 42 more for 500 T.
So far so good for Pakistan. 20 for 9 of 13.
Single to finish the over. Positive over for the team in green. 11 from it. Pakistan won the toss. 21 with...
There was a lot of pressure in general. I have a question for you. Have Smithy joined the...
Smashes away over the offside, just through the hands at it. Didn't really time it, Farhan, but... Yeah, Bubba at the Sixers was very popular, and Shadab Khan as well, so did to the comp. Mo Rizwan.
Sani bought Big Bash quite a bit because of...
Another thick outside edge. Flies away over the head of Zane Green, and another boundary.
Pakistan has been lucky so far. Saim Ayub twice, and then of course Sabzada Farhan, he's on 13.
Yeah, none for 27. If you just turn it on, you think, well, Pakistan are cruising along, but it hasn't.
Only 1 boundary, I think, and obviously the bowlers are getting a bit of extra.
That's more out of the middle. Farhan gets a bit of length to deal with and whacks it away over through mid-wicket. After 4, 30. Big swing and a miss.
Truffed him by Whisker. The idea was to go towards shore. But coming back to the point, let's have a look at pitched and nipped back up in Australia. You guys forget after 2 days.
Short. Yeah, you win today, you're into the Super 8, and the tournament's still well and truly.
The team, especially in World Cup tournaments like this, you got look at this, look at his bat game. That shows that
He just slogs that off the inside portion of the bat. It wasn't elegant, but it was effective. 4 more, Farhan to 21.
There was the plan B. Nothing else. Let's go slog sweep. And he middled it for another boundary. That was his 4th. He's on 21 now.
That's a better shot. Opens his blade and smokes it away. Uppishly through cover. And now Pakistan are really starting to roll.
Bit of room outside off stump, and this format, especially in first 6 over in power play, it is kind of difficult to bowl. And look at this, he had the
Farhan. 40 for none.
और यहाँ पर भारी किनारा लगा है, किसी किस्म का कोई डाउट नहीं था अंपायर को। ताइम अयूब यहाँ पर अपना विकेट खोते हुए
1-2 दफा बॉल कीपर के पास से जरूर निकल गई है, लेकिन इस दफा नहीं।
अच्छा गेंद, बहुत करीब था उनके कट करने के लिए।
और यहाँ पे उछाल,
अच्छा शॉट, इस मर्तबा गैप में भी 4 रन मिलेंगे। बड़ा पुरएतमाद तरीके से खेला है ये सलमान अली आगा ने।
इस मर्तबा उस उछाल का इस्तेमाल किया सलमान अली आगा ने, थोड़ा सा ऑफ स्टंप से बाहर।
उड़ता हुआ शॉट खेला, फील्डर मौजूद हैं, अच्छी फील्डिंग। लेग साइड पर खेला इस दफा, 2 की कॉल अली आगा
अभी तक। और पावर प्ले 43 पे खत्म हुआ, जो कि खुशाइन है। कैसे खेलते हैं,
आगाज अच्छा नहीं था मिसबाह का, थी
आप ये अंदाजा लगाएं कि करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि इतनी लंबी बैटिंग भी बाबर हैं, उसके बाद उस्मान, फिर नाफे अच्छे स्पिनर।
गैप में इस दफा
तो लगता है ऐसे है कि
7 ओवर मुकम्मल हुए यहाँ पर, 52 पर 1 खिलाड़ी। ही रन लेकर सेट
पहुंचते हैं, तो थोड़ी बैटिंग जो है या रन्स जो है वो लेंगे। पावर प्ले के बाद जैसे ही स्पिनर्स आए हैं,
बाजीत भी बता रहे हैं लेफ्ट आर्म स्पिनर करना पड़ता है, और ये बात कदमों का इस्तेमाल किया और ये गेंद बासानी बाउंड्री लाइन पार कर जाएगी। सलमान अली आगा का पहला छक्का।
और टाइम हो गया था, और
आसानी मुड़े
जीता है, बैटिंग की है, लंबी बैटिंग खिलाई, और उसके लिए आपको प्रेशर डालें। ये पिछले 2 ओवर में आपने दबाव जो है वो स्पिनर्स पे, इसको उठा के खेला है लेग साइड पे, और टाइमिंग भरपूर है, टांग रख के मिड विकेट की तरफ 6 रन हासिल किए।
और यहाँ पर फैन ने कैच पकड़ लिया है इसलिए
गुगली, और इसको भी उठा के खेल दिया है। रिजल्ट हुई पहले मिड विकेट की तरफ और इस दफा मिड ऑन की तरफ।
साहिबजादा फरहान अब अपने पूरी लेते हैं।
22 रन आए।
गैप पे खेला, 2 की कॉल, इन 1 ही रन बनेगा।
को एक्स्ट्रा कवर की तरफ निकाले हैं, 1 ही रन बनेगा। फरहान के
रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट्स
वो बहुत खूब खेलते हैं, और शायद वो भी देख रहे होंगे, ये तो वाइड बॉल है, बाउंड्रीज कहां से, वो लेट रन बॉलिंग कर रहे हैं।
तो यहाँ साथ के T20 वर्ल्ड कप में
इस दफा 2 रन बॉलिंग कर रहे हैं, टम्स को शॉट लगाएं, लेकिन अभी तक
बैक फुट पर खेला